So basically, guys, Machine Gun Kelly is like this dude. His name is Kelly, and he carries a machine gun. And Willa is like the song, "Baby girl, tell me are you ready for the ride? Yeah, you can go for the ride. I just wanna stay for the time." Anyways, guys, so basically we are going to be reacting to this song called Emo Girl. Are you an emo girl? No, that's Visco. This song is called Emo Girl, and that's what we're gonna be reacting to with Machine Gun Kelly and Willow. Guys, if I don't close my mouth, I don't think this is for kids, yeah? What? Guys, I extremely found this music video too weird for me. Wow, the shoes. It's the shoes for me. Emo girl. Emo girl. Oh, oh, it said vocalizing it. Emo girl. Never mind. Oh, I'm in love with an emo girl. Oh, that was not supposed to be shown to kids, to be honest. That was a very bad example. I'm not in the position to like judge and whatnot. Like kids can do whatever they want, but like still, you're still a kid, and it's a kid's field trip. And why would you go to something? It's just not giving, you know. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. It's just hey, it's just getting me like. Guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and job. Peace.